Hello, my name is Tina, I'm Head of Design of Victoria Designs, and we have a brand new crafting kit for you, the Traveler's Journal Crafting Printables Kit. You can discover these printables in our shop, the link is below. Francesca from the YouTube channel Junk Journal Joy, yes, the name says it all, has made a fantastic traveler's notebook. It has a really fabulous cover and it holds a mini journal, it also holds an ephemera holder, and there's an insert with extra pockets, etc. When I'm looking at Francesca's channel, I just cannot turn away. There's so much to learn and to see. I am super happy that she agreed to make this wonderful tutorial for you. Definitely take a look at her channel and subscribe if you like paper crafting. In this video, Francesca is going to show you all the printables from the Traveler's Journal Kit and also the wonderful notebook with all the bits and pieces that she made with it. The tutorial of the mini journal insert will be available in a separate video. Viewers that buy our Traveler's Journal Crafting Printables Kit will have exclusive access to the rest of the tutorial. You will learn how to make the gorgeous cover, the ephemera holder, the extra pocket inserts, etc. If you buy this kit, you will also learn how to embellish everything in a beautiful shabby way with stuff that you normally just throw away. Francesca is a master at this. This is a skill that you can use for many craft projects to come. And now it's time to give the word to the lovely Francesca.